Terrafirma, coach, we're seeing in the last game, di ba, yung mga na-highlight natin as Tio. Beautiful backdoor play from Smith to Tio. Nagkaroon ng reversal
here in the opening minutes of the first quarter.
You know, when Richie gets the first step on you, there's barely anything you can do. Trasan si Perkins. Big Manuel. Gagawa ng paraan, and he's so good at those unorthodox shots na akala mo wala nang pupuntahan.
Galamay kasi niya, 2.3 points per ball game in 12 games with San Miguel. Pero look at his scoring here for Terrafirma being one of the focal points on offense. 16.8 ang kanyang average dito sa konferensya ito.
Pero ito naman, Coach Isala. Pero Phoenix naman, di rin basta-basta bumibitaw. Ito si Balungay. 5 points now after that three-pointer.
Matagal natin hindi nakita ito si Balungay. 2 straight blocks here for Donovan Smith.
And then on the other side, the Punisher.
And this is what makes him so dangerous. Yung range niya, kailangan i-challenge mo. But he also has that quickness combined with his ability to shoot. 39% shooter lang ito si Richie sa tres. Grabe ang magiging problema ng defender nito. Pero ito si Paraiso, unti-unti na nagkaka-rhythm, hitting his own version of a three-point shot.
Since here in the second, Bates finds himself alone underneath. Great pass by Verano. Yung ball movement ng Phoenix, coach, has been spectacular.
Oh, Rafi Verano displaying a lot of...
Yeah. Kaya kung minsan baka nagtatawa, wow! Smith! Down the lane! Down hard!
Different kind of spring. Yeah, that is one thing that is very obvious. And look at that. It was a good setup job by Tyler Tio. Makeable basket yun.
And Tio will finish! Strong move from Tyler.
That is what happens.
They're ready for that flex action. Edwards, finally, his first 2 points since the first quarter.
And if telling his coach, come on, they have to look for me. I can deliver, I can score. He had 26 points in their previous game, but now...
Azul will reset their offense. 4-point shot for RJ, finds the bottom of the net.
First basket from 4. Kindly hit there by RJ Azul. Only is... opens up. Itong si Donovan Smith.
Perkins again underneath.
High-low play, pero nagkapalit doon. Si Smith ang pumasa sa kanyang mas maliit na
gawin ito ni Donovan Smith. He sets up Perkins who muscles his way in as he finishes through the foul.
Napakahirap ng sitwasyon itong si Luis Angalang because he's actually left there pretty much like parehong kaliwit. Oh, lakas din talaga. Oh, na-erase na rin itong si Jason Perkins. So, gantihan itong dalawang to. One-on-one. Parang yung apat, palamuti. Time is not a friend of Terrafirma right now.
Balungay! Strong to the cup!
And we mentioned that briefly earlier, Jot. Ano ba advantage nitong si Balungay? He has the height, but he's not lacking in quickness. Look at that crossover step. Finish it.
Sama-sama tayo, maglalaro, tapos sunalo.